Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the new topic, that is chapter number 7, congruence of triangle. So we will see what is meant by congruent objects. Okay, congruent objects. What is meant by congruent objects? Okay, in our day-to-day life, we come across many objects which have exactly the same shape. Okay, suppose this is triangle, and this is also second triangle, and this is exactly same shape. Okay, shape and sides. Okay, now for example, two keys of a lock. Two keys of a lock. Suppose one lock has the two keys, and these two keys are same. Two keys have the same shape and size. Okay, and two 1 rupees coin, two 1 rupee coins, and two sheets from the same notebook. Two sheets from the same notebook. Same notebook. Okay, now okay, these such objects which have the same shape and size, which have same shape and size. So this is known as the congruent objects. These are known as congruent objects. Okay. Now in geometry also, two figures identical in shape and size are said to be congruent, and this property of being identical. Okay, the property of being identical. Property of being identical means what? Identical means what? Same shape and size. This property of being identical is called congruence. This property is known as congruence. Okay. Now this symbol of congruence is what? Symbol of congruence is like this. This is known as symbol of congruence, and it is read as each congruent to. Okay, this is read as each congruent to. Now I will draw two figures. Okay, this two there are two figures. Okay, this is first figure, this is second figure. Now we can call it as shape 1 and shape 2. These two figures are exactly identical figures, so we can write it as shape 1 congruent shape 2. Okay, shape 1 congruent shape 2. Shape 1 is congruent to shape 2. Okay, now when two coins, have you observed two coins? Okay, these are the two coins. This is 1 rupee coins. Okay, this is also 1 rupee coin, and these two coins, if we put this coin to another coin, okay, we can, so if we place this coin to this coin onto this coin, okay, now you can observe that we say that, okay, the coins are congruent. This method of examining congruence is known as, means what? This method of examining congruence by placing one object to another object. Okay, by placing one object to on the by placing one object on the other object. Though, so this placing one object on the other object is called method of superimposition. Okay, method of what? Superimposition. Understood everyone? Now we will see congruence among line segments. Okay, congruence among line segments. So I will draw two line segments. This is AB and CD. So this is 5 centimeter and this is also 5 centimeter. Okay, so these line segments are congruent to each other. By the method of tracing, we can conclude that AB congruent to CD. Okay, we can write it as line segment AB congruent line segment CD. Okay, understood? Line segment AB congruent line segment CD. Now the properties of that congruence of line segments are, okay, we are going to see the properties. So the first property is what? Every line segment is congruent to itself. Means what? AB congruent to AB. Every line segment is congruent to itself. Now the second property, if AB and CD are two line segments, therefore AB congruent to CD and then CD congruent to AB. And the third property, if AB CD if AB, CD and EF are three line segments, and we can write it as AB congruent to CD and CD congruent to EF, and then AB congruent to EF. If AB congruent to CD, CD congruent to EF, then AB congruent to EF. Okay, understand? These are the properties of congruence among the line segment. You have to learn these properties. Okay, understood, students? Thank you.